guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. We are starting the new year with Ipsy. So if you'd like to see what's inside January 2024's Boxycharm box, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this Boxycharm box to try. All right, so the first thing in this month's box is this little card that says Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others, and make sure you feel pampered every day because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. Starting off this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Cupids Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. This is a refreshing eye cream that is packed full of clinically backed ingredients, including niacinamide and caffeine to help reduce the look of dark circles and puffiness while soothing the skin. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Ofra Signature Palette Luxe. This is a neutral makeup palette full of rich mochas and shimmery bronzes. There's also a little pop of champagne in there. Next, we have this Cupids Eyeliner, and I'm not sure how you pronounce this company's name, Nabla Cosmetics. And you guys, this is such a pigmented black liner. This is in the shade Arrow number 4, and it is so creamy and just so jet black. I love this. Next, we have the Instant Crush Lip Gloss Duo by Half Caked Makeup. And you guys, this packaging is so adorable. It just reminds me of like the MySpace days when we used to change like the layouts and the fonts. So super cute. Here's what they look like. Super cute packaging. This one is called Mesmerize. And here we have Crystal Baller. Last but not least in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Real Her Hold On To Your Dream Probiotic Setting Spray. You guys, I just love Real Her makeup. Everything they come out with is amazing, and what this company stands for is amazing as well. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. And if you're new to Ipsy, there are 3 options on the site to choose from: the Glam Bag, the Boxycharm box, and the Icon box. The Icon box comes 4 times a year, and you guys, I am so excited for first quarter's box. They sent over this little paper, and I want to see if you guys can figure out who the first quarter curator is. Don't speak, just sign up for the Icon box now. For just $60 a quarter, you'll score 8 uber coveted products curated by one of beauty's biggest icons. And there's no doubt about it, February's limited edition Icon box is straight BANANAS. Upgrade now and follow us at Ipsy for the major curator reveal on January 9th. Let me know who you guys think it's going to be. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.